With Dalal, lecturer, Education Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss Unit number 1, Management Skills. This is a continuation part of Lecture 1. In this session, I am going to discuss what is communication, what are the types of communications, features of communication, intergroup communication, art and barriers of communication. Okay, so next, what is communication? Okay, communication means it is a process of transfer of information from one point to another point, or a sender to receiver. That is known as a communication. Means that whatever information sent to the sent by the sender is transferred towards the receiver. That information can be understood by the receiver. That is known as a communication. Okay, means, and also you can define the communication. It is a process of meaningful interaction among the individuals or persons. Okay, that is known as a communication. So there will be a special features of the communications will be there. Okay, the special features means those are: communication is a two-way traffic. Two-way means two-way communications. Both the individuals, they are communicating each other, and communication is a unavoidable. Okay, so continuous, it is a continuous process, and also it is a social process. Okay, in order to speak, in order to make a relationship, communication is important. So next, communication is a universal. Okay, suppose if you want to convince some information to the other person, okay, communication is important. Okay, that is a feature of a communication. So next concept, intergroup communication. So intergroup communication means the communication within or between the groups. That is known as a intergroup communication. Intergroup communication is given by a power, equity, bias, competition, and a conflicts. Okay, conflict. So intergroup communication means we are discussing within or the between the two groups. That is known as a intergroup communication. So intergroup communication, that gives the communication with or within a groups. Okay, so that gives the social relationship, and also it gives the personal identity, forms the basis of communication. Okay, so it will create the some good relationship with others. Okay, it is a social process. Okay, and also it helps to improve their personality, and also they can communicate with each other. And also communication groups may be a members of co-cultures, cultures, nationalities, genders, generations, as well as the groups of belonging in a workplace. Okay, health context. Okay, and also intergroup communication informs the mass organizational, interactual, political, and also interactive aspects of the communication. Okay, that is known as a intergroup communication. So communication groups may be a okay, already I said communication may be a members of co-cultures, cultural, co-culture, and nationalities, as well as the groups belonging to the workplace. So next, there is a art of a communication. So what is the art of communication? Okay, art means, okay, to become a good communicator, okay, we have to know the some factors. Okay, some points will be there. Okay, first thing we have to know yourself. Okay, ourself. So know yourself means what? So a good communicator knows what he or she is talking about or writing about. Okay, what they are talking. So next, be focused. Be focused means should be clear, and okay, whatever we are speaking, that should be a clear, and okay, that should be understood by the other person. Okay, so whatever you are giving the information to the other person. So next point, there is a know your audience. Know your audience means while speaking, okay, first you have to know the audience, okay, to whom you are speaking or talking, and accordingly you have to change style and adopt the content. So next, there is a be positive. Okay, while talking, okay, believe yourself, be confident, and also be sincere. Okay, that is the art of a communication. So next, barriers. Okay, barriers means some issues, okay, related to the communication. Okay, while you are communicating in a, okay, communicating with us some audience, okay, some people are there, okay, so that time there will be some barriers exist, okay, that makes the communication incomplete. Okay, that communication, some barriers will be there. Those barriers are physical barrier. Okay, that physical barrier means that is a separate, okay, sometime we are having a separate working area. Okay, there is a people's, okay, there is different area people are working. Okay, they are having a different status. Okay, that is a physical barrier. So next, there is a perceptual barrier, that it depends on how your thoughts, okay, assumptions, okay, and also perceptions shape our own realities about a person, people, thing, job, etc. Okay, and also emotional barriers. The communication should be free and open, and it should not be influenced by emotions like fear, mistrust, okay, and also any suspension. So next, there is a cultural barrier. Cultural barrier means the people have to work with a different culture, having a different behavior. Okay, so in order to remain in it, okay, that should be adopted by a behavioral pattern in the group. So next, there is a language barrier. Language barrier Language barrier means we have to improve our personality. We need to learn the different languages. Okay, and also we have to work with the different peoples in the surrounding market. And also gender barriers. Okay, gender barrier means we have to work on a common platform, and both men and women are treated as a equal in the present scenario. Okay, so last one, interpersonal barrier. Interpersonal barrier means these are due to less contact with the peoples, okay, and also less working activity, honesty, okay, that leads to maintain the distance themselves from the others. Okay, that is the interpersonal barrier. These are the barriers of the communication. Okay, last summary. Okay, in this session we have discussed what is communication, what are the features of the communication, and also intergroup communication. Okay, so between the within or between the groups. Okay, art and barriers of the communication. To become a good communicator, okay, what are the arts and what are the barriers, okay, which makes the communication incomplete. Okay, these concepts we have studied in this session. Okay, thank you.